Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on obliques and shrinking our waist. I've got 3 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be doing these circuit style. Each exercise, 1, 2, 3, back to back, no breaks, taking a rest, and then repeating the circuit 3 times. All you're gonna need is your body and something to sit on. So I've got my bench here. You can use a chair, you can sit on your bed. Yeah, you can sit on your bed actually. This is perfect for that. If you haven't signed up for the March calendar, do so now. Click the link down below, follow the link, put your stuff in there and get the calendar. You'll also get the rest of the calendars for the year. And before we get started, smash that like button. So here we go, and we're going to switch. Boom, boom, doom, do, side to side, side to side. Notice, lower body is staying still, upper body is the only thing moving. You flex your core as you're doing this. So side to side, side to side. This is the only part of the body that's moving. Your stomach is still, your legs are still, you're just moving here. You are gonna feel this right here and in the center of your stomach, the core. This is the motion. We're gonna do 30 reps right now and then get into the next exercise right after this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, count it out.
Ooh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts.
Keep your core engaged.
We own the game.
Great job. That's 30. Next, go ahead and open into a wide sumo stance. You're going to bring your hands up behind your ears, and we're going to crunch opposite knee to elbow sitting here. So twisting and come down is the motion. Twist, down. Boom, just like that is what it looks like when you go a little bit faster. So we're working here the oblique, the sides right here, the internal oblique, the outer oblique, and we are really pressing down. Really, don't do none of that. You know, you wanna keep your frame tall and just right there in the corner. Boom, boom. We're gonna do 20, 20, and then move into the next exercise. Let's get it. Keep your core tight and your back nice and straight.
What we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without.
Great job, go ahead and switch sides.
And
you really have to crunch it.
Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
Great job. Next, we're gonna lay down, so coming off your mat here. Go ahead and lay back, you guys. We are going to be doing some leg ups. So in this position here, you're gonna hover your legs and then you're gonna bring them up into the air. We're gonna do 15 here. Let's get started. Keep your core nice and tight. You can do this on the ground if you're on the ground.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, cause you.
Great job. Give yourself 10 seconds to rest, and we're gonna start at the top again. This time we're gonna move a lot quicker. You guys know the form.
Only a shot away from me to be my.
All right, here we go. Let's go. 30.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
Great job. Open up. 20 each side. job, switch.
But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me.
Great job. Lay back down. Let's do it. 15 here.
I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place.
Great job. Give yourself 10 seconds to rest.
I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
All right, here we go.
I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair.
Great job. Go ahead and open up. 20 on each side.
Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what.
Here we go.
Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a.
Great job. Last 15, you guys. We got this. Here we go. One for good measure, and we're done, you guys. Good job today. Woohoo! Don't forget, guys, stretch out those abs. I'll leave a cool down here on the screen for you. Click it, check it out, cool down with me. Also, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can work out with me every day. See you guys next time. Bye!